Hey, what's up YouTube? Today we're doing a full speed test, like a top speed test on both the Stock Sur-Ron and the KO Moto Controller with the stock battery and no bypass. We're gonna run down this line here and reach top speed somewhere down here, and I'm here to make sure no one's on the trail. My son is gonna be doing the testing since, you know, this is a thing. So we got Stock Sur-Ron here, nothing done, and we'll get to our first top speed test. Alright, we got a top speed of 42. You can see in the display there that it shows 47, showing the discrepancy in the display and GPS. Also, it did pop up to 43 for a split second, but we'll go ahead and discount that since it was only for a second. Doesn't matter. Alright, now it's time to test the KO Moto Controller. Remember, this is non-bypassed stock battery. Okay, there you have it. KO Moto top speed. We'll say 50. We'll drop the 51 like we did for the other, just to be fair. But it did stay around 50 for a decent amount. So as you can see, a pretty decent speed increase with the KO controller on a stock bike. We'll end it on that. Stay safe and keep the rubber side down.